The school kids S and Z. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Today we will reading comprehension for beginners. I have a red pen. What do I have? What is the color of my pen? She has a pink bag. What does she have? What is the color of her bag? Ben can run fast. He can jump too. Who can run? What else can he do? Anna went to the park with her mom and dad. Where did Anna go? Who were with Anna? Tim and Jim are my pals. We go to school together. Who are my pals? Where do we go? Kobe the brown dog can bark. What is the name of the dog? What is the color of the dog? What can the dog do? The fat man. Jan is a man. Jan is a fat man. Jan is in the van. He has a hat. The hat is on the bed. Who is the man? Where is the man? What does Jan have? Where is the hat? Jack's net. Jack has a net. The net fell. Jack's net fell in the well. The net got wet. Jack got the wet net. Who has a net? What happened to the net? Where do the net fall? What did Jack do to the net? The cups. My sister has cups. She has 6 cups. My sister's cups are yellow. The cups are in the box. Who has cups? How many cups are there? What color are the cups? Where are the cups? The pet hen. Palm has a pet hen. The hen is red. The hen is fat. Palm's hen has 10 eggs. The eggs are in the nest. Who has a pet? What is her pet? What color is the hen? How many eggs does the hen have? Tom and Sam. Tom and Sam are in the park. They are riding a bike. Their sister Anna is on the swing. She is holding a doll. Who are in the park? Who are riding a bike? Who is on the swing? What is Anna holding? Dan and Roy. Dan and Roy are in the pond. Bog crabs are in the pond. The crab bites Dan. Roy runs to help Dan. Who are in the pond? What are in the pond? What are in the pond? Who was bitten by the crab? Kitty. Kitty is my pet cat. Kitty is my best pet. She likes cold milk in a red dish. My pals are fond of Kitty too. I am glad Kitty is my pet. Who is my pet? What does Kitty drink? What is the color of the dish? Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.